Hi there, my name's Sarah, and I'm going to go through 8 things you might not know you can do in Clip Studio Paint. I'm going through these quick, but if you want a more detailed video on any of them, let me know. Tip 1. When you choose a subtool, you'll see some of its settings here. However, lots of features are hidden in the Subtool Detail palette, which you get to by clicking the wrench icon here. If there's a setting you use regularly, click the eyeball icon next to it, and it'll appear in the tool properties. Tip 2. Say you've scanned in a drawing on paper and you'd like to color it. Go to Edit and choose Convert Brightness to Opacity. Boom! Now you've got lines with a transparent background ready to color. Tip 3. For tools that have a shortcut letter, you can click and hold the shortcut to temporarily switch to the tool. For example, holding E lets me use the eraser, and letting go switches back to my previous tool. Tip 4. Say you have your line art on one layer and your color on another layer. Make sure both layers are selected. Go to the Selection tool, make a selection, then hit Ctrl-T to transform. Just that selected area will be transformed, even across multiple layers. Tip 5. If you create a new work in CSP version 2.1 or greater, your work time is automatically recorded. Go to Window and select Information. The work time appears here. It will pause if you stop actively working on this canvas for 2 minutes. Tip 6. If you like how a subtool is set up, you can lock it using this button. You can still change the subtool's settings however you want, but if you choose a different tool, then choose that tool again, your settings will reset to the state you locked them in. Tip 7. When you make a selection, this menu, called the Selection Launcher, appears. It's got some useful shortcuts, but it can also get in the way. You can get it out of the way by clicking and dragging this bar, or you can hide it by going to View and unchecking Selection Launcher. Tip 8. Turning on Clip to Layer Below means anything I draw on this layer will only appear where the layer below it is visible. But did you know you can stack multiple clipping layers on top of each other? When you do this, all of the layers clip to the bottommost layer in the stack. You can also clip a layer to a folder. It then treats all the layers in that folder as if they were one layer. And there you have it, 8 useful features you might not have known about in Clip Studio Paint. Let me know if you like this kind of video, or if you know about any great hidden tips. Subscribe for more CSP tutorials, and Happy New Year! Bye for now. A big thank you to all of my patrons, with a special shout out to Nova Tier patron Joe C. Phipps. Check out my Patreon if you'd like to help support future content like this.